Please listen to me. Don't venture into 2026 without a skill. If you go into 2026 relying on your 9 to 5 job alone, relying on that one business alone, oh my god, it might be I don't want to say anything negative with my mouth, right? I don't want to say that, but you get what I'm saying. Please don't go into 2026 with that one source of income. Don't go into 2026 relying on your 9 to 5 job alone. Go learn something. Go learn a skill. And in this video, I want to tell you guys something which I have said before, because this should be the second time I'm saying it. But this one, I'm going to show you practical. You know, these days I am in for practical. Guys, go learn graphic design. I'm not talking about all these high-tech graphics, all these big no, something you can do on your phone. Now I want to show you guys something practical, but before we do that, you're welcome to the channel. These days I usually forget to welcome you all to the channel, like I just go straight to the point, but this is me welcome you guys again to the channel. You're welcome. Only Owner here again with another video, another important video. So if you're new here, you're welcome to the family. This is how we roll on here. We are this serious, okay? You're welcome to the family. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Now practical, I'm going to be sharing my phone screen with you all again in this video, so you will see exactly what I'm saying. So you all know, or most of you know, I sell online, right? I have an Instagram page, Oni's Collection. I sell fashion item, bags, shoes, and the rest of them on Instagram. And then it was time for my Xmas sales, so I was so busy because lots of goods came in that season. I couldn't design flyer. You know, I can design simple flyer, so I actually checked for flyer designers or graphic designers on Instagram, and I saw a lady's contact. In fact, I went through her page. I was so impressed with the kind of design she has on her page. So I sent her a message. I said, please, I want to design a flyer for my sales that is upcoming. You can see, I said, Oni's Collection from Instagram. I need to design flyer. She said 7K is the price, or like 7K. The price was very affordable. I mean, amongst a lot of people that I've seen, hers is like the cheapest. I've seen 10K, I've seen 15K. She charges the cheapest, 7K. That's her best offer. And I said, can I pay now? When will the flyer be available? Because I know it's a rush season. She's not just designing for myself. Lots of people will need a flyer. She said, normally it was 48 hours, but currently I can't get it in 48 hours. It was gonna take around 3 to 4 days. You can see our chart, right? It was gonna take around 3 to 4 days. I said, no, I want to start marketing immediately because I'm already running late because my goods came in late. I need to start marketing. I said, no, I was not gonna wait. I chatted somebody else. That person was charging me 10,000 naira. The price wasn't the problem. I was willing to pay. Again, I cannot get in within 48 hours. For that other person, I had to wait 3 to 5 working days. I said, nah, I'm not going to do this. Guess what? I decided I was going to go design this flyer myself. Let me show you. I went straight to my Canva. You know, one thing about Canva is that there are templates for you to work with. You're not designing from scratch. You can learn graphic design. I mean, if you have zero knowledge about graphic, you can start learning today. Give yourself an hour every day. For the next 7 days, you will be good. I'm not even exaggerating. You will be good. Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to shake off that laziness and learn something that will be useful to you and that can make you money? If you've been telling yourself, oh, I want to make money online, remember I said you need to solve a problem. This could be what you need, because you're solving problem for people that sell online. Anybody that sells online or that creates content online, they need graphic designers. Now, I came on here and then I designed this flyer myself. It might not be perfect, but this is me telling you that you can do it. This is what I designed for myself. And when I posted it, surprisingly, people were like, Onye, people that know me, they were like, Onye, who designed this flyer for you? How much did they charge you? I've been looking for who will design, but most of them are packed with loads of jobs. They can't get it done within 48 hours. I said I did it myself. In fact, my friend was like, can you do it for me? I said, no, I want to go into marketing for my sales. But this is me showing you that you can, there is nothing much here. I just got a background. I use a template. I just went to Instagram design. Now, if you go back, if I go back from here, right, and then I search for, hold on, let's go back to the home page. So you go to create and you just search for Instagram Instagram post. Now, this is the shape for the flyer because you want it to be something within frame. This is the shape that you can use. This is the dimension. Can you see it? Now, for this dimension, because you don't want to work with any of this stuff, if you're okay with the background, you can work with the background, but I can decide to leave that bold text because I can use it later. Delete this. I can leave this because I'm going to work with it later. Now you can decide to change this background. Because it was the Xmas season, I was looking for something that is close to Xmas color, red, green, all those kind of Xmas color. So you can decide to replace. I just highlighted the background. You will see replace. And then when you come onto background here, there are free backgrounds that you can use. There are free backgrounds that are available for you on Canva. So you just need to keep scrolling to see if there's anyone you feel like using here. This is a green background here that is not bad. Green is also like Christmas color or something, right? You can have all this Christmas. You can go to, I'm just running this very quickly. Go to your elements, go to elements, and search for Christmas border, Christmas tree, whatever it is you want to use for your flyer. I'm just using Christmas because that's the season we are in, right? That was how I designed mine. So on here, you can see that some of them are paid for. You can see pro under some, while some are free. So this particular one is nice and it's free. So you can have something like this by the side. Now, because this Christmas tree is already green, I wouldn't like to use a green background. So I'm just going to change this background maybe to red. Okay, let me see. I can decide to change this background to red. Now let's move this. Let's say you want to design something for Christmas. This is already taking shape already. I can have this Christmas tree here and then this write-up, bring it down. This bold write-up is what I would want to use. I can just write something like Happy Xmas, Happy Christmas. Can you see we are already designing? You are not designing from scratch. You're using templates that are already available for you. Do you understand me? So this is what I'm working with. You can align it to make sure it's at the middle. There's always a line, a pink line that will show you that, yeah, it's at the middle. So I want this to be by the side, not really by the middle part. Can you see I have Happy Xmas? I can change it to a picture of myself. So I can just click on replace and then go to my uploads. I think I have pictures there. Can you see this picture of myself? So I can do it this way, just make it bold. So let's say I'm designing this to wish my customers Merry Xmas, something I want to post on Christmas Day. I can now bring, okay, I don't think I need this text. I can delete this text. Now bring my picture down, bring my picture here. Then for this, I can just write Oni's collection. So at Oni's collection wishes you a happy Christmas. So I can just reduce it. So I'm going to bring my text down, bring this one again down. bring this Christmas tree here, or reduce the size of this Christmas tree. So this is what we are working with. I think this my picture is too bold because I wanted this Christmas tree to be very tall because that's the season we are in. So I'm gonna bring this text like this. So this is something I can post on Xmas Day, add one more, Christmas thing, maybe a gift or something, and we have a post. Did you say this is something you can learn? Did you do anything extra here? Nothing. Go learn a skill. You can learn graphic design, and guess what? You don't need to pay anybody to learn. Only is not going to charge you. There are videos on YouTube. If you come onto YouTube now, if you come onto YouTube like this, and you type design, how to design flyers with Canva, you will see loads of videos. You will see loads of what? Loads of videos that will teach you how to design. Take your time, learn, learn and learn and learn. Stop burning your data without learning anything. Learn something that would make you money later. So you can see I started watching this one, how to design a flyer. I actually started watching it. Take your time to learn. That's basically what this video is all about. Go learn something that would make you money, something that will be useful to you because you want to make money online. You need to know how to do simple designs. If you want to be a content creator, you need to learn how to do what? Simple design. Not every time you're paying somebody. Imagine I waited 5 days before my flyers would be available. No, it took me around maybe 30 minutes, 45 or 1 hour. No, it took me more than 30 minutes because I was taking my time to make sure it is looking good. Just leave it to 1 hour, 30 minutes to design my flyer. The flyer you're seeing on your screen, that was what I used for my sales, and it was perfect. So that's it about this video. Go learn something. There's a video on the screen that will teach you something so important about content creation. Go watch it. You will find it very helpful. I love you.